dumpster rental service in Parsippany-Troy Hills, New Jersey. D&A Contracting is your go-to source for dumpster rental service in Parsippany-Troy Hills, New Jersey. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, handling yard waste, or managing debris from a renovation, we're here to make your cleanup simple and stress-free. Our dumpster rental process is designed to be quick, convenient, and completely hassle-free. You can count on us for reliable drop-offs, prompt pickups, and friendly, knowledgeable support every step of the way. We proudly serve the Parsippany-Troy Hills community with a strong focus on professionalism and customer satisfaction. No job is too messy or too small. We've got the right dumpster to match your needs. We work hard to be the dependable team you can turn to, project after project. Our customers appreciate our clear communication, fair pricing, and commitment to delivering quality service every time. With flexible scheduling and no hidden fees, we're a company you can trust. We're proud to support the growing needs of Parsippany-Troy Hills and value every opportunity to help local homeowners and contractors get the job done. Our goal is always to exceed expectations and keep things moving smoothly. Call us at 973-809-3846 and discover how easy dumpster rentals can be. D&A Contracting, dumpster rental service that works for you.